Welcome to the best picks. The best Dinosaur Bath Bombs is probably one of the most exciting ways to turn an ordinary bath into a prehistoric adventure. These fizzy, colorful treats not only make bath time fun with their vibrant colors and delightful scents, but they also hide a surprise, a miniature dinosaur toy. Perfect for kids and adults who love a bit of fun, these bath bombs promise a playful and relaxing experience. Number 5. STARYAR Kids Dinosaur Egg Bath Bombs. These bath bombs are a fun and safe way for kids to enjoy bath time. Each one is an extra-large dinosaur egg with a surprise toy inside. It's a perfect gift for kids. The set includes 6 colorful Dino egg bath fizzies, each with a different dinosaur toy inside. These are designed for kids aged 3 to 9 years old. They make great birthday gifts. Made with organic shea butter and essential oils, these bath bombs are safe and gentle for kids. All ingredients meet safety standards. They are perfect for sensitive skin. Each set includes dinosaur learning cards, describing different dinosaurs. The cards correspond to the toy inside, stimulating children's imagination. It's both fun and educational. Watch as the bath bomb fizzes and dissolves, creating colorful water. As it dissolves, a dinosaur toy will appear. This creates a fun and surprising experience for kids. Beautifully packaged, these bath bombs are ideal gifts. They are great for birthdays, parties, or just because. It's a gift that kids will love. What we like? This set offers 6 colorful Dino egg bath bombs, each with a surprise inside. It also includes educational learning cards, making bath time fun and educational. If you're looking for a gift that combines fun and learning, this is a great choice. What people say. Each come individually wrapped with a card giving dinosaur facts. They smell good and create a bubble bath with the bonus of a surprise dino in each egg. The best part is they actually take some time to dissolve. Most bath bombs are gone within seconds of hitting the water, but these last a few minutes. Each egg is clearly labeled with the dinosaur inside and comes with information cards about each dinosaur. There are also adorable tattoos, but we haven't tried those yet. My son loves dropping the egg into the water and watching it bubble, then holding it under the faucet to get to the plastic ball holding the dinosaur. The bath bombs are mildly scented if at all. The actual dinosaurs are compactly folded into the plastic ball. This means some of them stand a little crooked after release. They are flexible and light, so they float. Other dinosaur bath bombs have tiny dinosaurs that sink and risk flushing down the drain. These dinosaurs are colorful and about 2 inches long. Number 4. STARYAR Dinosaur Bath Bombs, 9-pack gift set. This is a fun and exciting gift set for kids. It includes 9 colorful Dino egg bath fizzies, each with a different dinosaur toy inside. It's perfect for kids aged 3 to 9 years old. These bath bombs are made with organic shea butter and essential oils. All the ingredients are safe and gentle for kids' skin. You can rest assured knowing it meets all safety standards. Each set comes with 9 dinosaur learning cards. Each card describes a different dinosaur, corresponding to the toy inside. It stimulates children's imagination. Watch as the bath fizzies float and whirl in the water, creating a brilliant color. As it dissolves, a hidden dinosaur toy will appear. It's a huge surprise for the kids. This set is beautifully packaged and makes a perfect gift. It's ideal for birthdays, parties, or just a fun treat. It's sure to bring joy to any child. What we like? This set provides 9 Dino egg bath bombs, ensuring more fun and surprises. The bombs are made with organic and natural ingredients, safe for kids. If you want a larger set with more surprises, this is the one for you. What people say. The colors are vibrant, without leaving any residue or staining the tub or towels. The mini hatched dinosaurs are a fun surprise for the kids. She was so excited to see what dinosaur was in her bath bomb every night. Number 3. Dino Egg Bath Bomb Kit with Dinosaur Toy. These bath bombs are designed for kids, each shaped like a dinosaur egg. Inside, there's a surprise dinosaur toy waiting to be discovered as it dissolves. It's a fun way to make bath time exciting. There are different transformable dinosaur toys to collect. These toys not only provide fun but also help children learn about ancient creatures. They can also exercise their thinking and hands-on abilities. Made with natural organic ingredients and essential oils, These bath bombs are gentle on the skin. They create a fizzy, bubbly experience while keeping your child's skin moisturized. The natural pigments create beautiful colors in the water, but they're easy to dissolve and rinse away. They won't stain the tub or your child's hands. Note, not for children under 3 years old. This bath bomb set makes a great gift for any occasion. The beautifully packaged Dino egg bath bombs will bring a huge surprise to your child. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like. This set features transformable dinosaur toys, adding an extra layer of excitement. The bombs create rich bubbles and foam, making bath time even more enjoyable. If your kids love interactive toys and a bubbly bath, they will love it. What people say. They had fun finding the surprise dinosaur and with the transforming egg dinosaurs. Really gives the bath a lot of color and decent bubbles, and then you got the little rubber dino inside too. These come in fun colors, they smell good, and they don't stain the tub or my child. My son loves waiting on the little egg inside the bath bomb to come out so he can discover the squishy dinosaur inside. The extra transformer-like dinosaur eggs are neat too. Number 2. HOTLAKE Dinosaur Bath Bombs Gift Set. Introducing the HOTLAKE Dinosaur Bath Bombs. Each bath bomb has a hidden dinosaur toy inside. It's a fun and exciting way for kids to enjoy bath time. This set includes 16 handcrafted bath bombs, each with a unique surprise. As it dissolves, the hidden dinosaur will appear. It's an exploration of fun for every child. Enjoy scents like strawberry, orange, and lavender. These soft and lasting scents will create a colorful and wonderful experience. It helps relax and prepare children for bed. Made with natural ingredients like baking soda and essential oils, it's gentle on the skin. It dissolves easily and rinses clean, so your kids can use it worry-free. Each set includes a watercoloring book and dinosaur information cards. It's a perfect STEM project that fosters a love for science and dinosaurs in a fun way. It's the perfect gift for any occasion, like Christmas or birthdays. If you are not satisfied, we'll refund you 100%, no questions asked. What we like. This set offers a generous 16 bath bombs, each with a unique surprise. It also features 8 exciting scents and includes educational elements like dinosaur information cards. If you are looking for a variety of scents and a fun learning experience, consider this one. What people say. The fizz well and they love the toy inside. He now looks forward to a Dino surprise bath. The mini Dino surprise in each egg is absolutely adorable. They smell good. They keep her entertained and she absolutely loves the dinosaurs that comes out of them. Number 1. Zenseme Animal Bath Bombs for Girls. Tired of bath time battles? These fizzy, colorful bath bombs turn tantrums into smiles. They make bathing easy and fun for both you and your child. Watch the excitement as a hidden animal toy appears. This creates an unforgettable sensory experience. It builds anticipation and makes bath time a blast. Each bath bomb includes a flashcard with animal facts. It turns bath time into an educational adventure. Your kids can learn and have fun at the same time. Made with organic ingredients and shea butter, they are gentle on the skin. Infused with essential oils, they provide soothing scents for a restful sleep. These bath bombs are the perfect gift for any occasion. Each set has 6 uniquely scented animal bath bombs. They will make kids excited for bath time. What we like. This set includes animal surprise toys, making bath time extra fun. It also comes with flashcards, turning bath time into a learning opportunity. If you have a child who loves animals and needs a gentle, soothing bath, this is perfect. What people say. Each bath bomb has a dinosaur inside. They fizzed up and turned the water a nice color. The kids love them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.